Good afternoon and happy Thursday, everybody. It is Thursday, November the 21st, and this is Scott Wohlers with River Place Capital. Just touching base, wanted to give our weekly stock market update of what we've seen in the markets this past week since we spoke last Thursday. And if I could have one word to describe, or one phrase to describe what's been happening in the market, it is a market that is on hold. It is a market that has seen a rise up so far on a positive earnings season, seen another rise up to new record highs off of news of the Fed being more accommodative to monetary policy. All positive things that the market wanted to see, and then it's just on hold, waiting to see, do we get that phase one trade deal with China or do we not? And a lot of money is sitting on the sideline waiting to see what happens either way. Now, one of the things that we've noticed and looked at and been tracking this week especially too is money flows. And we've talked about money flows in the past, where money flows track the stock's opening price, the stock's closing price, and then it's positive if the closing price is above the median or the mean for the day, the average of the day. So if a stock is trading at 100, opens at 100, closes at, and the average is 105 for the day. If it closes at $106, it's got positive money flows. So what we have seen is that the money flows in the market are still positive, just slightly, but still positive. So still a good positive sign for the markets overall. But especially in times like these, when you have a holding pattern or the markets remain flat, it's really when you find individual performance that really stands out. And so, for example, if you look at different sectors, you clearly have some winners, and the winners continue to win, and the losers are continuing to get beaten down and lose. And so that's one of the reasons why it's important that you are in individual holdings versus buying a whole sector together. So, for example, if you were in the XRT, which is the retail ETF, you may have had a rough couple of days based on some negative headlines out of companies like Kohl's or Home Depot. However, there are stocks within that sector that are doing well and are positive during those days. So if you own the whole sector, you may actually be you're getting hit for the losers and not getting as rewarded for the winners. So individual picking is always very important in markets like these, and that's something that we really strongly believe in. And if you have any questions about what's going on in the marketplace or what we see, call us or visit us online at www.riverplacecapital.com. And I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend. Thank you.